Legends of Learning presents the Cake Partition game. This is a math game that makes learning about partitioning circles and rectangles fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, it's a party, and the mathling kids all want to have cake. However, the kids want certain amounts of specific toppings on their cake slices. Help them out by dragging a topping to a slice of cake until it matches what the kids want. Replace the wrong toppings with the right topping to change what topping is on that cake slice. Each kid wants their own toppings, so make sure everything is divided into equal parts. Use the mouse to click on toppings and then drag and drop the toppings onto the cake to meet the requirements of the kids. Each cake must be divided up into the correct toppings to make sure all the kids are happy. Answer the math questions correctly to progress to higher levels. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.